study English. Yay!
I love spring. After a cold, snowy winter, the thought of sunny days, flowers on the trees, cherry blossoms if you're lucky, is a really kind of lovely thing to look forward to. When we say spring is in the air, what does that mean? Does that mean there's flowers in the air? No, but it kind of does in a way. Basically, it means that spring has started. The sun is shining, it's getting warmer, the snow is melting, the birds are singing, there are flowers just starting to blossom on the trees, and we can see that spring is really starting to happen. It can also mean that things were not so good are starting to get better or improving as well. An example, what a beautiful sunny day it is today. Spring is in the air. What a beautiful sunny day it is today. Spring is in the air. Or if things are finally getting better after some difficult times, it has been a difficult couple of months, but I think spring is finally in the air. So spring is in the air, an expression that means that spring has started or that things are getting better after some tough times. Thumbs up, subscribe to my video, and see you next time. Bye!
スーさんと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!